Hey there, fellow dog lovers! Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that's been making waves in the canine community. I'm talking about the recent surge in dog respiratory illnesses. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could be a game changer for your furry friend's health. Let's kick things off with some hard facts. According to the American Veterinary Medical Association, there's been a 30% increase in canine respiratory cases across the US in the past year alone. This isn't just a small blip on the radar, folks. It's a trend we need to take seriously. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are we dealing with here? Well, we're looking at a complex cocktail of pathogens. The usual suspects like kennel cough are still around, but there's a new player in town. Researchers at the University of California, Davis have identified a previously unknown bacterium that's resistant to several common antibiotics. This is what's got vets on high alert. Let's break down the symptoms you need to watch out for. 1. Persistent coughing, and I mean the kind that doesn't let up after a few days. 2. Lethargy, if your usually bouncy pup is suddenly acting like a couch potato. 3. Loss of appetite, always a red flag in dogs. 4. Difficulty breathing or rapid breathing. 5. Nasal or eye discharge. If you're seeing any combination of these, it's time to get your fur baby to the vet, pronto. Now let's talk prevention. Because let's face it, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Here are 5 key strategies backed by the latest veterinary research. 1. Vaccination. Make sure your dog is up to date on all respiratory vaccines, including the new bivalent vaccine that targets both traditional and emerging strains. 2. Hygiene. Wipe your dog's paws after walks and regularly clean their bedding. A study in the Journal of Veterinary Internal Medicine found that this simple step can reduce the risk of respiratory infections by up to 40%. 3. Air quality. Invest in an air purifier for your home. The Environmental Protection Agency recommends HEPA filters to remove airborne pathogens. 4. Diet. Boost your dog's immune system with a balanced diet rich in antioxidants. Recent studies show that dogs with higher levels of vitamin C and E have a lower incidence of respiratory infections. 5. Socialization. While it's important for dogs to socialize, be selective about dog parks and daycare facilities. Check their hygiene protocols before letting your pup mingle. But what if, despite your best efforts, your dog does get sick? Don't worry, I've got you covered there too. Here's a quick rundown of the latest treatment options. First off, early detection is key. If you suspect something's off, get to the vet immediately. They might prescribe a new generation of antibiotics specifically designed to target these resistant bacteria. In severe cases, nebulizer treatments are showing promising results. There's also exciting news on the holistic front. A recent study in the Journal of Veterinary Science found that certain probiotics can significantly reduce the severity and duration of respiratory symptoms in dogs. Always consult with your vet before starting any new treatments, though. Now, I know we've covered a lot of ground here, but there's one more thing I want to touch on: the importance of community awareness. This isn't just about protecting your own dog. By following these guidelines, you're helping to slow the spread of these illnesses in the entire canine community. We're all in this together, folks. So let's recap. 1. Be vigilant about symptoms. 2. Focus on prevention. 3. Act fast if your dog gets sick. 4. Stay informed about new developments. Remember, your furry friend relies on you to keep them healthy. With the right knowledge and precautions, we can tackle this respiratory illness challenge head-on. That's all for today, dog lovers. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And hey, leave a comment below with your own experiences or questions. Let's keep this conversation going and keep our four-legged friends healthy and happy. Until next time, stay pawsome.